Have you noticed those mesmerizing ASMR videos blowing up on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram? I'm talking about the ones where someone slices through glowing glass fruit, or a woman slowly eats a piece of rich, creamy cake. And somehow, it's so satisfying, you just can't stop watching. These videos are racking up millions of views. And guess what? Most of them weren't filmed in a studio. They weren't recorded with expensive cameras or edited by professionals. They were completely generated using AI, and the results are insane. You've probably seen channels using tools like VO3 or other high-end AI generators to create this kind of content. But here's the thing. Those tools can be extremely expensive or require special access. Today, I'm going to show you how to create the exact same kind of viral ASMR videos for free, using tools that are available to anyone, anywhere in the world. I'll walk you step by step through everything you need to know. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to break it down in the easiest way possible. Now let's get started. First, let's kick things off by creating our glass fruit cutting ASMR video. To make this super easy for you, I've put together a Google Doc with ready-to-use prompts. These are designed to help you generate your own unique cinematic glass fruit ASMR image prompt in just minutes. You'll find the link to that doc down in the video description, so don't forget to check it out. And hey, if you've made it this far into the video, go ahead and tap that like button. It really helps boost this video in the algorithm so that more creators like you can discover it too. Now let's get back in. Go to the Google Doc I've linked in the video description and copy the image prompt. Then head over to ChatGPT, paste the prompt into the chat, and here you can edit the prompt by inputting the number of image prompt you want the AI to generate for you. Once you're done with that, hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you a fully detailed list of unique glass fruit image prompts, each one styled for maximum visual impact. Now that we've got our glass fruit ASMR image prompt ready, it's time to generate our images. You can use any AI image generator of your choice. Tools like Google Image FX, Ideogram, or any other image generator you prefer all work great. But for this tutorial, we're keeping things simple and using ChatGPT with DALL-E built in to generate the image directly inside the chat. All you have to do is click on the message box and type "Generate image for number 1" or whichever prompt you're starting with. Then hit enter and ChatGPT will start generating your hyper-realistic cinematic ASMR image right before your eyes. The process might take a few seconds, so hang tight. Good art takes a moment. And there it is, your first glass fruit ASMR image fully generated by AI. Just click on the image to preview it in full resolution, and once you're happy with it, go ahead and save it to your device. Now let's go ahead and generate another stunning glass fruit ASMR image. Just head back to the chat box and type "Generate image for number 2", then hit enter. ChatGPT will once again start creating a brand new hyper-realistic glass fruit image, perfect for your ASMR video. And there it is. Your second image is ready. Click on it to preview the full resolution, and when you're happy with how it looks, download it to your device. But here's the cool part. If you're not completely satisfied with how the image turned out, or if you want to customize it further, like changing the color of the fruit, you can do that instantly. For example, just type something like, "Make the apple pink," then press enter. In just a few seconds, the AI will regenerate the image based on your new request, now featuring a soft pink glass apple with the same cinematic style. Go ahead and preview the updated image, then save it to your device once it looks right to you. You can repeat this exact process for every glass fruit ASMR concept you want, from glowing oranges to crystal-like pears. It's all fully customizable, super fast, and totally free to generate using ChatGPT's AI image tools. Now that we've generated our stunning glass fruit ASMR images, the next step is to bring them to life as videos, complete with those crisp, satisfying ASMR sound effects that everyone loves. These are the kinds of effects you'd normally see in high-end videos created using tools like Google VO3, but today, we're doing it using a free, powerful alternative called KlingAI. First, head over to KlingAI, and if you don't already have an account, sign up. Once you're logged in, click the plus icon and select Image to Video. This will open up the animation interface. Next, upload the first glass fruit ASMR image you want to animate. Now we'll need a high-quality video prompt to guide the animation. Go back to the Google Doc linked in the description, copy the video prompts, then return to ChatGPT and paste it into the chat. Hit enter and ChatGPT will generate a list of cinematic, detailed video prompts for each of your glass fruit images. Copy the video prompt that matches the image you're animating, head back to KlingAI and paste it into the prompt field. Before generating, make sure to turn on the sound effects option. This is what gives your video that deeply satisfying glass-cutting sound we're going for. Now adjust your settings. If you're using the free plan, select standard mode. If you're on a paid plan, go ahead and choose professional mode for even better quality. Then choose your video length. 5 seconds or 10 seconds works great for short-form ASMR content. Once everything is set, click Generate, and KlingAI will begin animating your image into a fully rendered ASMR video. It might take a little time to process, so be patient. And here it is, our animated glass fruit ASMR video. Let's preview it. As you see, the video is complete with smooth motion and those rich, realistic sound effects. When you're happy with the result, just download it straight to your device. Now you can repeat this exact process for the rest of your images and build a full set of viral ASMR videos, ready to post on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Reels. Now let's create a woman eating cake ASMR video. The first step is to generate our image prompt. Head over to the Google Doc and scroll down to find the lady eating cake prompt. Copy it, then open ChatGPT and paste it into the message box. You can also customize the prompt by changing the number of image prompts you want. Once you're done with that, hit enter, and in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide a list of beautifully detailed ASMR image prompts of a woman eating cake. These are perfect for generating hyper-realistic images that look just like the viral ASMR clips flooding social media. The next step is to generate our images. For this, we'll be using Google Image FX. Start by heading over to Google Image FX, then create an account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the clean, user-friendly interface. Before generating your image, let's quickly adjust the aspect ratio to fit your video format. Click on the settings icon, then select your preferred aspect ratio. For example, 9:16 for TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Once that's set, go back to ChatGPT, copy your first image prompt from the woman eating cake section, and head back to Google Image FX. Paste the prompt into the text box and click Generate. In just a few seconds, the AI will create a set of 4 stunning ASMR visuals based on your prompt, complete with cinematic lighting, creamy cake textures, and that ultra-satisfying close-up detail. Scroll through the results. Choose the image that fits your aesthetic best and download it to your device. You can repeat this exact process with your other prompts to generate a full collection of ASMR-style woman eating cake images. Now it's time to take your ASMR image to the next level by animating it into video, complete with that crisp, satisfying sound of a woman gently eating a creamy slice of cake. Head over to the Image to Video section of KlingAI and upload the first woman eating cake image you want to animate. Next, we'll need a detailed animation prompt to guide the video creation. Just go to the Google Doc and copy the video prompt under the Cake ASMR section. Now open ChatGPT, paste that prompt, and hit enter. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT will generate a custom video animation prompt that you can use. Copy that prompt and head back to KlingAI, then paste it into the prompt box. Before generating, don't forget to turn on the sound effects option. This adds the subtle, realistic cake-chewing ASMR sounds that truly elevate your video. Now tweak your settings same as before. Once you're ready, click Generate and KlingAI will begin transforming your still image into a beautiful animated ASMR video. And there it is. Your AI-generated woman eating cake video is ready. Click to preview. And just listen to that satisfying sound design. The bite, the soft texture, the realism. It's all there. If you're happy with the result, go ahead and download it to your device. Now simply repeat the same process for your remaining cake-eating images to build a full collection of high-quality ASMR AI videos, ready to go viral. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your question in the comments section.